Good morning. It's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And it's in the morning and I've got to have my pajamas on. But I will tell you, the sun is so bright today. I really wanted to do an update on my derma rolling. I've had quite a few questions on, am I still derma rolling? And yes, I have. And I'm going to type in the dates when I started in certain areas because I started with my lips. And I still do my lips every Sunday. I do the bottom one, I do both on one Sunday, and the next Sunday I just do the top, and I have been very pleased. I'm going to put my derma rolling playlist underneath, and you can click on that and you can see what you're interested in because I'm not going to demonstrate it today. Hopefully I'm going to put a side-by-side of some of my older videos when I have no makeup on. I do have navy eyeliner in my upper waterline, and I have on the Je ne sais quoi lip treatment on my lips, and that's it. And I've washed my hair this morning and just pulled it back. I do know when it comes to lips, that's the first area I use the derma roller on. I really didn't have many fine lines around my lips, but I knew that they were going to be coming. So I started doing this, I believe it was in 2015. One Sunday I'll do both lips, and the other Sunday I just do the top lips, and I do think it's helped. So I'm going to do a close-up. So I am still pleased with the results. Then the next place I started was on these are your nasal labial folds, and this is your marionette lines. I started doing that. I think it's definitely helped. And I also do that on Sunday. I do this once a week, and that's all. That's all I do, it is once a week. So I did this area and this area. And within the last several months, I've added this area of my eyebrow. And just recently I started right here. So I think I've been doing this about 3 months. And the only thing I use after I do it is I put on the Matrixyl 3000. I have the big jar. I use the one from Timeless. That's the only one I've used. And for no other reason, I just thought this would be good to put on my face right after I do the derma rolling. I also put it on my lips. And then when I go to bed, I usually do that like in late afternoon. And when I go to bed that night, I do that. All I put on is my secret sauce, and then the Timeless eye concentrate, and I didn't bring that out here. That's all I do once a week when I derma roll. Now I want to talk a little bit about derma rolling. I feel comfortable derma rolling. I have never brought blood to the surface. I think it's just all in the amount of pressure you use, because all you really want to do is have little tiny channels. You don't want to make your face bleed. You don't want to press really hard. And that signals our body that there's a little bit of a damage, and it needs to kind of, I'm not going to talk medical here, but it needs to step up the game. And hopefully the intention is that collagen is produced. And I do believe, for me, I believe that's true. I also believe that if you use a derma roller, you've got to make sure your skin is clean. You have to make sure you take care of your derma roller, that you clean it in alcohol, spray it down. Don't damage the needles. You want to make sure you place it in the container without dulling the needles. And you want it to dry, and then you want to cover it. But I really think if you didn't do anything but derma roll and not put anything on, in my opinion, I think that would help. I haven't started on my forehead. I haven't started this, but I'm doing this, this, this. Now I'm doing this, and my lips. So that covers my face. So while I talk about the size of derma roller I use, I thought I'd share a picture of my 41-year-old daughter and her husband. I changed up how I'm doing my derma roller. What I'm using, the first Sunday of every month, I'm using the 0.5 millimeter derma roller. And the rest of the Sundays, I am using the 0.25 millimeter. I watched a video of Pen Smith's, and I'm going to link it below. Pen is an advanced esthetician, and she is very knowledgeable, and I really respect her opinion. I thought I would try this for a while and see if I got as good results or even better results. So I'm going to try this for several months. I'm going to be discussing hair next, and the person I got this information from, the one that made me want to start derma rolling my scalp, is Elle from Elle is for Living, and I'm going to be sure and link the video, her channel below, and the video. And I do that for thickness, but I will tell you, it also makes your hair grow faster. So for me, that's not a plus, but getting thicker hair is a plus. So I just thought I'd let you know that. I purposefully wore my hair this way because I wear it up a lot and you really can't see. But before I started derma rolling my scalp, I could see my scalp through my hair, and I no longer can. My hairstylist has commented on how much thicker my hair is on top, and I only do this area to there, and that's it. And I will put a card here and link this below, and I'll show you exactly how I derma roll. I do it on wet hair, and I only do probably 8 repetitions. And also, you can use your derma roller as a stamp, because like if there's times when I just want to get in an area, and I have used it as a stamp. And I've done it in my scalp if I want to do my crown, because you don't want to get your hair tangled in a derma roller at all. It would be a mess. So I show you in that video what my technique is. And again, I've never had any bleeding. I'm on 10 milligrams of Coumadin, and that is a very strong dose, and I have thin blood. So if anybody was going to bleed, I would. And then after I'm done, I use, and I got this from Elle, the Nutriox. I put probably 7 or 8 squirts in here, rub it in, massage it in, really. I pretty well massage it pretty well. And then I use the Pantene Age Defy leave-in treatment. I only derma roll right after I wash my hair. And I use this on that day, and then I use it again the night before I wash my hair. And what I normally do is I wash my hair on Monday or whatever day, 3 days go by, and then I wash it the next day. So I use it twice in a 5-day period, and I've been very pleased with the results. And I don't really know if this is doing any good or not, but I have used it for so long, I'm afraid to quit using it. And I don't take any collagen supplements. I've never taken any hormone replacement. So I am pretty happy with the results I've gotten just from derma rolling. And of course, there's a lot of other things I do. I'll put my most current skincare videos. I have one on what products I use, and then I have one on the extra things that I do. And derma rolling is in that. It is not my pleasure to come on here barefaced without makeup, but you know, I just think you need to see what is going on. And I'm going to come in a little closer. I do love it when somebody says that I've had plastic surgery or Botox or fillers or something like that, because I just thank them, because I haven't ever had anything, with the exception of I had a quarter-size group of broken capillaries. Oh, probably about 7 or 8 years ago, I had them lasered just in that one area there. But I still have them. They came back. They only lasered them one time. And then the doctor died, so I didn't ever go back and do it again. If you're still watching, this is going to be a giveaway. This is an international giveaway. To be eligible, you need to be 18 years old or older, be subscribed before it goes live. And in the comments section below, you just need to use the word roller. And what you will win, you'll win both a derma roller from Skin Diva that has 192 individual needles. It's made of stainless steel, and the Timeless Matrixel 3000. And I'm going to be purchasing these from the company and have them mailed directly to you. I understand that derma rolling is not for everyone. I feel very comfortable derma rolling. I just thought I would offer it to my viewers. And since this is a giveaway, I will not be able to reply to comments, but you can go to any video that was uploaded prior to this, ask me a question, and I will be glad to get back to you. And I just want to wish you all good luck. But it is all good. I thank you guys so much for watching me, and I just appreciate it very much. It truly is an honor. You all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. I purposefully I've had quite a few